Use Vaseline as a beauty product. The ordinary-looking Vaseline is a wonder product because it may be used in 100 different ways. Vaseline is used on hair, skin, lips, and nails in beauty regimens. Vaseline may come in the form of plain petroleum jelly, or mixed with other ingredients in beauty products. Here are some ideas on how to use Vaseline for beauty purposes. Use Vaseline to soften skin. Lather Vaseline to dry skin to protect it and store moisture. Make sure that your skin is clean before you apply a thin layer of Vaseline to avoid irritation. Vaseline makes rough skin smoother by healing skin wounds and cracks. You may wrap or clothe the skin after applying the Vaseline to make it melt easier. Wait for at least 20 minutes for the skin to absorb it. Keep sun rays off. Vaseline prevents excessive loss of moisture from the skin. It coats the skin to protect it from heat and other damaging influences. Spread a generous amount of Vaseline to your skin to keep it healthy even when under the sun for long periods of time. For added protection, apply sunscreen, then apply Vaseline on top of it to seal the sunscreen and make it last longer. Mix Vaseline with creams, lotions and scrubs. Vaseline is present in some skin products because it has a moisturizing effect. Mix Vaseline with your lotion, etc., to add to its volume and effectiveness. This is especially helpful for harsh skin products. Soothe cracked lips with Vaseline. Vaseline is a common remedy for chapped lips. Regularly dab a small amount of Vaseline onto chapped lips to protect, heal, and moisturize them. Use as a lip shiner. Apply a thin layer of Vaseline on lips for a natural glossy look. You may do this after applying lipstick to add shine to your lipstick color. Add gloss to dull hair. Dry hair benefits from an application of Vaseline. It gives a shiny appearance to dull hair when applied sparingly. Don't apply too much Vaseline to avoid a greasy look. Use it to hold stray hairs into place. Rough hair ends may be corrected by slicking Vaseline to the problem areas. Lengthen eyelashes. Vaseline may function as mascara by adhering to eyelashes and making them look longer and thicker. For a natural look, apply directly. Otherwise, apply mascara and then dab a drop of Vaseline to make the mascara waterproof. Use Vaseline for healthy nails. Vaseline softens cuticles and hard skin near nail edges to make it easier to groom nails. It may be used to coat tired-looking nails to give an appearance of renewed health. Protect your skin from colors and chemicals. If you don't want hair products to get into your facial skin, line your skin with Vaseline. This will keep hair coloring or hair sprays off your face. When you're done with the hair product, simply wipe the Vaseline away. Similarly, put Vaseline against your teeth if you don't want lipstick to stain them. Use clean hands and items whenever you use Vaseline to prevent skin irritations and infections. Use tissues to wipe excess grease when applying Vaseline.